Hi everyone and welcome to another executive interview. Today we have an exciting opportunity to explore a cutting-edge investment platform that's reshaping the landscape of global trade finance. Joining us today is Dimitri Kouchnirenko, the co-founder of LC LITE, a company that is pioneering the digital transformation of trade receivables finance through blockchain technology. Dimitri, thank you for joining me for this interview.
Thanks for this opportunity and glad to be here.
Amazing. Now, Dimitri, to kick things off, could you provide our audience with an overview of LC Lite and its unique value proposition for investors? How does it differentiate itself from traditional investment methods?
Certainly. So LC Lite is a digital trade finance platform. We use blockchain-powered virtual assets to facilitate transaction financing. This creates our unique value proposition. So on one side, we're making trade finance transactions swifter, more transparent and secure through blockchain. And on the other side, our digital asset offers intrinsic value because it represents real-life trades.
Amazing. Now, let's dive deeper into the story behind LC Lite and how did the idea for this unique blockchain-enabled platform originate?
So our journey began with IncomeLand in 2016. So IncomeLand is an online marketplace that specializes in global invoice financing. As of now, IncomeLand financed close to $1 billion of invoices already. And in 2018, we created LC Lite. So when we launched, we already acquired 2 years of experience and track record in the trade finance field. So we created LC Lite to address several issues that we observed during our IncomeLand activities. One of the main challenges we faced was the gap between returns expected by investors and the finance cost a supplier is willing to pay. So LC Lite's solution is to use a blockchain-based digital asset to facilitate financing transactions. So this allowed us to effectively decorrelate returns from costs while improving safety and speed of the whole financing process.
That's amazing. Now, diversification is a key strategy for many investors. So, how did LC Light diversify investments to mitigate risk?
Absolutely. LC Lite's core strength lies in uniting the best of two worlds. So the solidity of traditional trade finance on one side and the tech advantages offered by blockchain on the other. So let me explain. So trade finance presents three typical advantages for diversification and risk mitigation. First, it is typically a short-term and liquid asset, with transaction financing tenors being below 3 months on average. Second, trade finance is not correlated to financial markets as we're rooted in physical goods trading. And third, our trade finance portfolio is by design diversified across sectors, industries, trading parties, and geographies. And then we have our virtual asset that powers all the finance transactions through blockchain. So this asset presents a unique diversification advantage of being used for real trade. This gives it an actual and very concrete usage value because the underlying is the demand from global trade of physical goods. So the end result is a diversified portfolio balancing both liquidity and growth for the investor.
Amazing. Sounds like a great investment opportunity for sure. Now, could you provide an in-depth description of LC Light's product and the tangible benefits it offers to investors looking for stable and innovative investment opportunities?
Oh, of course. So the underlying activity of LC Lite is to finance various trades through instruments like receivables finance or letters of credit. So what's different in our case is that LC Lite also digitizes those trade finance instruments, and we use the Ethereum blockchain to do so. We all know the traditional blockchain attributes such as trade ledger immutability and transaction encryption, but Ethereum's primary differentiator is its native support for smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of agreement directly written into their code. Within the LC Lite ecosystem, these contracts automate and enforce the trade finance agreements. So it ensures that all parties adhere to stipulated terms without the need for intermediaries. So this not only streamlines the process, but also significantly reduces the chances of discrepancies or disputes. We digitize and record the trade finance, the trade receivables using Solidity smart contracts. For cash, we use ERC 777 and ERC 20 for payments. For investors, this means an incredible opportunity to take part in trade finance transactions with an enhanced level of access, safety, and transparency. And it also means that investors can participate in the development and potential growth of a unique virtual asset dedicated to real-world trade.
Amazing. Now, Dimitri, with a global trade finance market worth trillions of dollars, how does LC Lite position itself to capture a share of this market and provide investors with a unique and compelling investment opportunity?
Oh yes, the global trade finance market is indeed vast, but it is crippled with inefficiencies such as fraud, mistakes, slowness. So many platforms try to deploy blockchain on trade, but so far with unclear results, and understandably so. It is quite hard to put the whole value chain of world trade on blockchain. You need to ally a lot of parties to that. So on our side, we chose to sharp focus the blockchain application on a portion of trade finance that we know and can manage directly. And what is this? This is the origination, underwriting, and processing of a trade finance operation. So this is what gives us a technological edge. On the origination side, we have dedicated and specialized teams across different geographies to approach, select, and vet our trade counterparties. We're also deploying partnerships and multi-channel strategies to ramp up our trade deals. So this hybrid approach allows us to effectively tap into this multi-trillion-dollar market that you were mentioning, while maintaining strict risk management and quality standards.
Amazing. You've raised some key important points there. Thank you, Dimitri, for shedding light on the innovative investment opportunity that LC Lite offers. For those who are interested in learning more about the work that LC Lite is doing, please see the details at the side of the screen or in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for coming on for this interview, Dimitri, and I wish you all the luck with your venture moving forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.